Hello and welcome to my easy cooking kitchen. Today we're going to make a family favorite and something that you can make on your own when you don't have enough energy to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. You've guessed it, it's the ramlette. I'm going to show you how to make the simple version so you can mix it around and prepare it the way you like it. So let's go. Here's what you'll need. You can use the spice pack that comes with the noodles or mix some spices on your own. Start by adding the spice pack to the eggs and whisk it all together. Do not keep the pack in the fridge like I did, because it turns out like this. On medium-high heat, add the oil, let it warm up a bit before adding the cooked noodles. Spread them in the pan to form an even layer. Then pat it down because you want it to crisp up a bit. After about 3 to 4 minutes, take it out and set it aside. Then to the same pan, no need to add any oil. Throw in the scallions and let them cook for about a minute or so. Next, add the noodles, soft side down, let them cook for about a minute or two, and then add the eggs. Spread it around evenly to cover the noodles. Then simply let it cook and don't touch it too much. Once it moves around the pan, it's time to flip. Let me show you how you can do it without tossing the egg in the air. Ta-da! Now let it cook for another 3 minutes or so. I'm gonna flip it again to make it picture worthy, but you don't have to do that. Now it's time to add your cheese and other toppings. Again, I'm using mozzarella and cheddar. Spread everything on one half of the ramlette because we're going to close it now. Once the cheese is melted, serve it up and dig in. Just look at that cheese. I'm missing some heat, so you've guessed it, Tabasco. That was delicious. So let me know in the comments below what you put in your ramlette. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell, and share it with your friends. You can also follow this channel on social media, but most importantly, bon appetit!